We've been staying home for quite some time, and it has taught us one thing, that we should make our homes as beautiful and comfortable as possible. But does that mean that we have to undergo major and expensive renovations? No, we do not need to go through that. What we need to do, however, is be creative about our resources. Today, we are going to show you 3 ways to make over your space for under 2,000 pesos. When doing a makeover and working on a tight budget, make sure to list down everything that you need and stick to it. When it came to the painting supplies, all I had to do was hand over my list to the AllHome sales staff. Within 5 minutes, they had everything I needed in a cart. Easy and convenient shopping, plus no distractions. Tip number 1, never underestimate the power of a good coat of paint. Would you believe that Arla and I looked nothing like this just 2 months ago? Painting the walls white instantly added brightness and life to the space. All I had to do was go to AllHome and check out their wide range of materials when it comes to paint and painting supplies. Another way to update your space without breaking the bank is through changing up your linens. You can change your beddings or something as simple as your throw pillow covers. You can go from cool to warm in an instant. And since it's fairly inexpensive, you can change them as often as you want. AllHome has a ton of different options when it comes to linens. I had such a hard time choosing my favorite, but in the end, I went with this gorgeous mustard frayed throw pillow. Not only does it add a lot of warmth, but would you believe that this pillowcase is actually less than 300 pesos? What do you think? A makeover in under a minute. And finally, you can update your space through plants. Plants add that much needed life and color to any space. AllHome has a wide variety to choose from succulents to huge potted plants. All you have to do is search for the perfect one for your space. We hope you learned a thing or two about making over your space for less than 2,000 pesos. All of these products are available at AllHome. You can shop at our stores or through www.allhome.com.ph. You can also join our Viber group for easy and efficient shopping. As always, we'd love to hear from you, so comment down below if you have any tips or tricks as well for making over your space on a budget. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AllHome's official YouTube channel. My name is Leona. It was nice hanging out with you guys, and I will see you again soon.